Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Scorpio, I'm back. So I know you thought not you Scorpio. I know they thought they probably could have bullied you off the internet, Scorpio. They probably thought that their plans had succeeded and that I would no longer show my face. But sweetie, if your mother can fuck that man and make him come in her and have you, I can show my face. So I'll stop. I'll give you bitches some time to catch up when you bitches get talent. So I'm going to be here a while. Great. Okay, Scorpio, this is your past life tarot spread. Didn't get to complete all of the readings yesterday, so we're pretty much finishing it today. Let's go ahead and go into your past life reading, Scorpio. We're going to see who you were in a past life. We have the moon card. Apparently we don't know who you were, or I'm getting you were the keeper of secrets, Scorpio. You used to keep everybody's secrets. Just remind me the person in the church, oh, forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. I'm getting something like that. I'm getting you were the person to keep everybody's secrets. What did you do, Scorpio? The 10 of Wands. Were you a hitman? I'm getting you're the one who get rid of people's secrets. Anybody have a secret? Got junk? Call us today. You have a secret? They're going to. I'm getting you was a man who made the secrets go away. People are being anxious because they have to keep the secret. I'm getting you're the one who take the secrets them and bury them very, very far away, Scorpio. What challenges did you face? We have the 9 of Cups. I'm getting you love it. I don't know if you love putting out hit on people, or you love burying dead bodies, or you love the adrenaline of hiding secrets for other people. I'm getting you love it. Maybe you love it a little bit too much. I'm getting the challenges you face is, Scorpio, I feel like you like to drink the blood of your victims, or you like to do this and taste the blood before you discard the body. How did you die? You have a Knight of Wands. You died in war. Or you died while being chased. I'm getting some man on some horse find you and kill you. I'm getting there's a part that you used to go bury all of these bodies, go get rid of some bodies. But I don't know, I feel like you used to put something in your mouth, like taste something of these bodies before you did bury them. I'm getting you dead, I'm getting people like security come find you, some man on horse. What lesson did you learn, Scorpio? The Magician. I'm getting that even keeping secrets won't save you. I'm getting you the Magician, yeah, you can put out the hit, yeah, you can hide the body, yeah, you can keep the secrets, but I'm getting you still, the Magician got too greedy, or apparently you wanted too much ingredients for your mixtures. I'm getting you get catch. Maybe you got caught taking out an organ to perform magic. The lesson you learn, even magicians can get killed, I'm assuming. I'm just getting you're the one who deal with this when everybody don't want to deal with the secrets. How have you been influenced? The Ace of Cups. Well, you probably have a weird thing where you don't like for drinking this lifetime. If that's not it, I'm getting you don't play around fire. You don't like to play around fire. I feel like you have a fear of fire, you have a fear of striking matches, but I don't know if it has something to do with your past life. I'm also getting something about telling secrets to manipulate you. Like I tell somebody lies to manipulate them into them thinking that, oh, this person trusts me, they gain my trust. I need to do everything to not break their trust, but me getting what them telling you is a bag of lie. Somebody like a bait you with false secrets or something like that. Or me getting a so you used to catch somebody. You used to be like, act vulnerable as if you have these secrets that is weighing on your chest and you can't get rid of. Scorpio, come visit me. We have Jealous. We have Handler. We have Recording Devices. And we got Cursed. I'm going to leave it here, Scorpio, until next time. Bye.